So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in printers and scanners. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on add device. It's now going to start searching for your printer or your scanner if you have it plugged in. And if it detects it, it's going to appear right here and you can select it. However, if it does not detect it, then you want to click right here, add a new device manually. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, there's a few options that we can go with. So if your printer is very old, then you can go with this option and then click on next and it will try to find your printer for you. You just want to follow through all the steps and then select your printer. If your printer is being shared by the network, you want to go with this option and then click on browse and find your printer. You could also add a printer using an IP address or host name, and you can add a wireless printer or a printer that uses Bluetooth right here, or a network discoverable printer. And for the last option, you can add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. So whichever option applies to you, you want to choose the option, click on next, follow through the steps, and you can now add your printer to your Windows computer.